Hi, I'm Brian, and I want to show you an exciting product that I have that I use for my business that is really great. It is called the Wireless Door Entry Alert. It's really a great system. Now, before I tell you all about the system, I do want to talk to you about the distance and the range that it has. Now, you can have the receiver away from the transmitter of the door up to 800 feet away without a loss of signal. But it is recommended that the maximum distance be 400 feet. At 400 feet, it works great and flawlessly. Now, I have right here the wireless receiver, and I have it just on my desktop here, lay it on my desk. And it has on the side a selector switch where you can choose between the off, you can actually turn it off, and you can choose the alert or the alarm setting. And also it has a mute button on the back. When you use the alarm setting or the alert setting, you can hit the mute button and you can quieten it once it is sounded. And it also has 4 LED lights that are red, and they represent each zone. So you can have up to 4 different zones set up. So you can take these, the transmitter here that I have mounted to my door facing, and you can use up to 4 different doors, and each door represents your zones. My setup here, I have the transmitter, which is really compact. I have it mounted to my door facing, and I have the magnetic piece mounted to my door. The great thing about this system, if your environment doesn't cause for you to be able to mount the transmitter on the door facing, maybe your door facing is too narrow, what have you, then you can actually mount the transmitter on your door, and then you can take the small magnetic piece and mount it to the door facing, so you can actually use either setup, and that makes it really versatile. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do both demonstrations. I'm going to let you hear the alert, and I'm going to let you hear the alarm. Now, I'm going to do the alert first, and once I open the door, the alert is going to sound, and even when I close the door, the alert will then stop, okay? But I can also take and leave the door open, and as long as the door is open, then the alert is going to sound. And I can also hit the mute button, and I can quieten it down as well if I choose to use that option. So I'm going to open the door. I'm going to show you the actual alert. And notice how when I close the door, the alert stopped. Now real quick, I'm going to open the door again, and I'm going to use the mute button to mute it. And there I have muted it with my door still remaining open, and it is muted. So when I close the door, that actually resets it, and then it's ready to go again. So now I'm going to switch it over to the alarm setting and use the alarm. All I have to do is take the selector switch and move it to alarm. Now when the alarm sounds, even when I close the door, the alarm is going to continue to sound until I press the mute button, and just like this. And I paused on closing the door so that you could see that as I did close the door, the alarm was still going to sound until I hit the mute button. Now this is really a great system, and to get more information about this system, click the link in the description, and for more information on how you can purchase this system, click the link also that is in the description. Thank you. Hi, I'm Brian, and I want to show you an exciting product that I have that I use for my business that is really great. It is called the Wireless Door Entry Alert. It's really a great system. Now, before I tell you all about the system, I do want to talk to you about the distance and the range that it has. Now, you can have the receiver away from the transmitter of the door up to 800 feet.